Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesusjunkjournals, and I have another new thing. I had a person challenge me to design some things for people who do Bible journaling, and so I used my creation journal kits and I reduced the images and I added some other elements so that if you're doing a Bible journal, you can cut these out and put them in there to help you sort of illustrate whatever you write. And so I've got my circles here for the days. I've got the little pictures, little bitty pictures of the pages from the other journal. And then I've got words that should help you. I have all different formats. And then I have these. If you want to print these on sticker paper, you can cut them out and use them and just stick them directly to your journal. This is kind of your title. It's Creation, Temptation, the Fall, and Expulsion from Genesis 1 to 3. So there's that. And then here's some more of the images. And then here's some little labels or tags that you can write on yourself. And then I wrote words here that you can, if this is printed on sticker paper, you could cut these apart and use them in your journal. And then here's some more of the images. And these are for pockets. You can cut these triangles out and glue them into as corner pockets. So I'm going to do this, and I'll have little videos it'll be January Bible Journal, if you want to look it up on YouTube for the video. And I will go along with these and make them. And each month will be different. And sometimes I may include your Bible verses. This time I didn't. I'm going to let you pick your own. Some people do one verse a day. Some people may just do one a week, or maybe you just work on it one or two times and you're done. By subject, however you want to do it, this will help you hopefully to put the story together. Okay? So I will be back with video on how I'm going to do it, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.